Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to your oracle reading message for the day via the universe and the angel cards. So let's see what is the message the universe is giving us today for 29 July 2020. And this is Shilpa Menon. So let's see what is it that we are going to get the message for today. I have chosen a lovely angel tarot deck today, and it's damn beautiful because it's lovely blue and it has lovely silver. Can you see this? It's damn beautiful, the silver light around it. The cards are so beautifully and intricately designed. We can see the silver on the side. Good morning everybody who's joined in, and let's see what is the message for today, right, from the universe via the angel tarot cards. So what have I chosen? Angel tarot deck. And what would universe like us to know? I'm going to pick the top card and let's see what shows up. Right, beautiful. We have the sun, right? In the angel tarot deck, the sun is represented by Archangel Uriel. Archangel Uriel, also whose name means God of light or fire of God. His aura is beautiful sun colors, little red, little yellow, gold, absolutely sun colors. Okay, so and when the sun in tarot shows up, it means the past is behind. Happy outcomes are going to come in your life. Whatever you're thinking to start, allow those ideas to be implemented in your life. Let's see what is written over here. In fact, Archangel Uriel in the angelic realm is also connected with claircognizance. Clair means clear, cognizance means thinking. So clear thinking is what Archangel Uriel helps us with. So probably for today, if you have any ideas and you feel a little muddled up, you can invoke Archangel Uriel. One way to invoke Archangel Uriel is say, Archangel Uriel, help me find the clarity in this moment. The second way to invoke Archangel Uriel is to go ahead and invoke the aura, which I just mentioned some time ago, lovely red and yellow gold aura, the sun colors basically. So invoke Archangel Uriel, wrap it around your head and say, you know what, can you help me with clarity? Can you help me with finding the information that I'm looking for? But in fact, when Uriel comes in, the ideas are brilliant. In fact, these ideas will lead to happy outcome. In tarot, it's 19 by 1, which means new beginning, but after a certain completions of life, because 1 is for beginning, 9 is for completions. And 19 by 1 is where you are completing a lot of things in your life and now moving forward. Anybody with health challenges, health is getting much better and you are becoming more childlike, more vibrant, but with a certain wisdom and knowledge. So let's see what is written over here. The sun, Archangel Uriel, happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that will lead to success. And what Archangel Uriel is saying, just the way sun shines and sun knows when to rise, just have the same confidence in yourself. This is how the card looks like. I hope you're able to see it. Right, and thank you for all the compliments for my hair. Thank you so much. I quite like that. In fact, this wasn't planned, but like we said yesterday, that try something new and different. And this is what showed up. I am so grateful to Pooja. Pooja is online right now. Pooja, thank you so much for this lovely hairdo. Yeah, I am really loving this. I don't know how you guys like this. But today in your comment, there are two things I'm looking forward to. What is it that you did something yesterday which was new and different? Or was there something that you actually did? And the second comment is, for today, what ideas are showing up for you and how are you really going ahead and invoking Archangel Uriel in your life? So with this, I'm signing off for the day. Invoke Archangel Uriel. Your card is the sun, giving you brilliant ideas. Thank you, Ashmita, for the hair look. I'm actually feeling very excited. Yeah, thank you, Pooja. So right, Archangel Uriel, the sun is over here, and I'm going to sign off for today. This is Shilpa Menon, your reading for 29 July 2020. Goodbye everyone, have a vibrant day, just about as vibrant as I'm looking today. So yeah, see you everyone.